Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to sew a drawstring bag. To start with, we're going to prepare the fabric pieces. I've got two of each, the outer and the lining, and I've also got two cords. So working on the outer fabric, I've placed them right sides facing, and I'm going to draw a line 1 inch from the top, then another line 1.5 inch from the top. I'll put some pins on the lines, and when I'm sewing I'm going to skip between those two lines, leaving a gap. So the gap will be where my cords will pass through. I'll sew my lining pieces together right sides facing, and I'll leave a 2-inch gap at the bottom of the lining for turning. Next, I'll place the outer part of the bag inside the lining, right sides facing. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew the top edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Using the gap I left in the lining piece, I'll turn the bag to the outside. Using a safety pin, I'm going to thread my cord through the gap in the side seam. I'll thread it right around the bag and come out on the same side. Repeat on the other part of the bag with the other piece of cord. Here I'm just tying the ends of the cords. To finish off the bag, I'll just sew the opening in my lining using my sewing machine, and the drawstring bag is done. The bag can be made in different sizes, small, medium, or larger bags. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye!